This is Sunday Church in Actions. We are working.
If that thing's rolling, I can talk about what I am doing.
This is a very simple setup for what we're doing.
It is very user-friendly. The new lighting is absolutely wonderful.
I am doing really nerdy stuff right now. Really nerdy. So this theater, they've asked for these scallops here to stay on and these lights to stay on at night so that when people are coming to go to Sushi Nico, they walk by the hallway here and they see all these lights and they're like, it's an advertising thing. But we don't want these lights to be going all night long. I here am programming in some buttons to where at the end of the night they can hit the off button and it kills the power to these lights, and in the morning they can hit an on button and bring it all back up. We're going up in the attic, and what these guys are doing is they're installing these little controller units. All these controller units are on plywood squares, and these plywood squares are going to live above the scallops and control the lights in the scallops. All of these controllers have to live at different parts of the catwalk.
Oh yes, it's changing colors. So this one's correct.
So because there's a lot of moving parts to this project, we have the ability to create little buttons that automate stuff. So what Anthony's doing here is he's actually making buttons that will do things. So when he hits a button, it turns stuff off, it turns stuff on, and it's just basic automation to make the whole installation streamlined.
I am assigning all 4 of the RagLink power units that we've installed to this on button to power them all on and all off at the same time.
The new lighting is absolutely wonderful. When it comes to the new upgrades that they've installed, they are very user-friendly, great product, very fun new features, and overall just a really great thing to be able to add on to these events. It's been about 3 years going. I've worked hand in hand with Stuart Jenner, and it's been absolutely positive. I would recommend them highly because they are going to be very educated on what they're offering, but they also bring all of the equipment necessary. I would also recommend them because they are really great with queuing and multiple presentations, a lot of videos, anything that's very heavy presentation-wise. The last thing you want is for a presentation to glitch or go bad, and they are extremely on top of their game when it comes to run-throughs, rehearsals, itineraries, and just full transparent communication with the event host as well.